I've heard about this guy before. Magaling daw na artista, ganyan. Napatunayan ko that he is a seriously good actor. As a matter of fact, in one of the sequences that we were together, medyo pinapanood ko siya nung wala akong take. Medyo nag-fanboy mode ako eh. Totoo yun, totoo. Pinapanood ko na siya. Ang galing! Ang haba ng dialogue pero hindi siya nagkakamali. Ako kapraso lang, bumabakil pa eh. So, yun na napatunayan ko na seriously good actor. Not just a good actor, he is a good person. In and out. Magaling ito.
Sige, boss.